Namaste friends, my name is Nisha Thakur and I am a maths online tutor. In this series we are doing functions and today we will learn how to find out a domain of a function. So here is the question and here given three questions. Do you know a rational expression is not defined when the denominator is 0? Fx equal 1 upon, okay, x square minus x. Can we take common from here x? So now you can easily see here this denominator when it will be 0. So x can't be 0, right? Because if x is 0, this whole denominator is 0, right? Or x not equal to 1, because x value 1, 1 minus 1 0, and bracket portion is 0 times 1 is 0, okay, because x value 1 and bracket portion is 0. So this whole denominator is 0. So if x is equal to 0 or x is equal to 1, this function not defined. So what is domain? X such that x not equal to 0 or x not equal to 1, okay. Or when we write in interval notation, this is minus infinity to 0, this 0 not include, so curved bracket union, we can put 0 to 1 but not include 0 and 1, union 1 to infinity, okay. So this is our domain. You can write in this form or this form, both are same, okay. Now b question, gx and is square root 9 minus x square, 9 minus x square. We can't take the square root of a negative number, right? So we must have 9 minus x square greater than or equal to 0, correct? So what is here x value can be? Maybe 3, minus 3, and between minus 3 and 3, right? So, because we can't more than 3 or less than minus 3. So, what is domain here? So, domain is x such that minus 3 less than or equal to x less than or equal to 3. Means here we can put minus 3 to 3 value only. That time this whole value is 0 or positive numbers more than 0, okay. So this function is defined, otherwise because when we put less than minus 3 or more than 3, when we put this, so this function is not defined, okay. And we can write in interval notation, so minus 3 and 3, this is the domain, okay. We can write in this form or this form. Now C question, h t upon square root t plus 1, okay. Yes, this is okay. So here this is in rational form, and here we can't take the square root of a negative and we can't divide by 0. So here t plus 1 more than 0, because t plus 1 can't be 0, so we can't write here equal to sign, okay, just only positive numbers. So t less than minus 1, right? It means t value we can put more than minus 1. even not minus 1. Okay, so what is the domain here? X such that t greater than minus 1. Okay, it means minus 1 not include, but more than minus 1. Okay, so this is our domain. So very simple questions. If you have any doubt, please ask me. And if you liked my video, so please like, share, and subscribe my YouTube channel. Bye. Have a nice time.